Why did money replace the barter system? Money replaced the barter system because it is more convenient and efficient. In a barter economy, you run into the issue known as the double coincidence of wants. This means that both ends of the trade just have to happen to want what the other person is offering. If one trader doesn't want what the other trader is offering, the trade will not proceed. However, money solves this problem as sellers want money purely based on the assumption that other sellers want money as well. In a barter system where goods are directly exchanged without the use of money, double coincidence of wants is an essential feature. Contract is an economy where money is in use by providing the crucial intermediate step that eliminates the need for double coincidence of wants and remove the barter system. Find out more at Cryptoversal.com.